33% of the Antichrist, of the beast, will be made up of human DNA. Yep, us. Us who inhibit the tainted flesh. 33% will be made up of the fallen ones, the ones cast out of heaven. "33% of his essence will be science and technology." That's 99% of a whole being. The only thing it's missing is 1%. The 1% that this thing does not have is God. Not 1% of it will be made from God, other than our flesh, and that He gave to us to do with what we wished. His essence will not be part of it. Here's another interesting thing that I was showed. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. There's the crow revelation that the Lord once showed me. I've told others, now I've told you.